Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to change folder icons on Mac. So let us get started. Changing folder icons on Mac is a straightforward process that allows you to add a personal touch to your file organization. To begin with, find the image you want to use as a folder icon and double-click to open it in Preview. Once the image is open, press Command+A to select the entire image. Then click Edit and choose Copy. Next, locate the folder you wish to customize. Right-click on it and select Get Info. In the Folder Info window, click on the folder icon in the upper right corner to highlight it. Then, press Command+V to paste the copied image. Like magic, the default folder icon will be replaced with your chosen image, whether it's a .icn or PNG or JPG file. You can now easily give your folders a unique and personal touch on your Mac. Enjoy organizing your files with style and creativity. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one.